And today we are doing a shotgun only challenge. But one thing I want to tell you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I'm pretty sure most of you did. And right now we are just looking at some emotes. I am thinking about changing the flex to the MVP. So we're going to go ahead and change that. We still have our stuff. And my dad has been playing a little bit today, so we've been going up a few tiers, and now we're at tier 40. We just got this on the battlefield, and we got another one of these earlier today, so. And then, now we're just gonna get tier 41, easy peasy. There we go, now we got another 1000 XP, so now we're up to 3,342, and now, since I'm not playing with anybody, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the shotgun only challenge. Alright, so now we are in that. Let's go and try the MVP, baby. Yeah, do the worm. Hey, worm. Alright, so now we're in. Remember, I can have any type of shotgun, but it can only be a shotgun. Also, tell me in the comment section if I should do a pistol challenge and a sniper challenge. So, I mean, like assault rifle challenge, that's just too easy. But those are the two other challenges I was thinking about doing. And also put in the comment section some more challenges that I should be doing. And also an update on my family gaming channel. I mean, not my gaming channel. My family channel. Today is Thursday, February 16th, and this won't be able to like February 20 something. But today we are thinking about our first video, so I guess that's like a starter. We're just gonna use an iPhone camera first, but we are gonna try and get like an actual camera. Is what my dad supposedly said. So I guess that's what we're gonna get. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on down to the main house, because there's somebody right over there. I'm not trying to get shot down first. Oh, snap. Oh, snap, run. Ah, run, run. Oh! Oh! Aw. Well, we're gonna play another game because that wasn't the best one. So, let's go ahead and get right back into the next game. Alright, so we are now into the thing. Let's go ahead and with that. Alright, where are we coming from? Alright, so I'm definitely not going to Anarchy. Maybe I could go to Lonely. I don't know if I should try that or Moist. I'm gonna go with Moisty just because it's far away, and I know not that many people will be there with me, so I'm gonna wait till we get along the edge before I jump, cause it's kind of long for right now. So I just gotta like stay up. We're going over Wailing. There's Lonely. I think we're just too close to Lonely, so we're just gonna try and fly down to Moisey. So I don't know why Fortnite, but they did end up putting putting all three forces on the same side of each other. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the parachute early and just glide on over there, so I'll know for sure that I will be able to make it. I'm just gonna glide. Alright, so now we're gonna land on one of these first houses so I can maybe hurry up and get me a shotgun and I don't get shotgunned to death. But I have seen some YouTubers who have gotten really lucky, and when they first started, they got the shotgun. Like the person who just killed me, like in the last round, they had a shotgun. If only I got in before them. Ah, I can't get that. Alright, by the way, guys, I have some gum in my mouth, so there might be like a little bit of chomping. Nom nom nom. Yeah. Anything in here? Nope. Oh, maybe let's check up in here. I swear, if I don't get a shotgun, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my god. I don't really always. Yes. There we go. All right, so we got a tactical. I'm guess that can help me out until I like give me like a better shotgun. I'm not sure. It's like a chest. Oh my god, I really want this stuff. Slurp. Alright, there we go. Some over here. I think that is a suppressed pistol, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there's a slurp juice. And what's behind it? Oh, that's just it. Alright, drunk that. I'll go to over here. Jump. And just got some light bullets. Go back down. I'm gonna try to head over here to this little main place. Maybe they got something over here. I see some stuff. So I just realized, like this from a distance, kind of look like either a snake or like an elephant or something. I'm bad with animals, but I just think it kind of looked like that. So, and now that I do get home and I don't have to like do any like sports activities for like another 2 hours or so, oh, I thought hurtful. I can actually be like more active. There's something blue over there. I can be like, my voice is like better, like, so it'll be more exciting. And gosh. Oh, I hear another one. Oh, it's up there. Oh, almost fell off. Ah, can't get anything. Oh, I'm really mad. Alright. I'm gonna go and just pick up those bullets. Oh, there's some green over there. Look back. I think oh snap, I got a, oh my god, I got a long way to go. That's a shield. I can't worry about that right now. I gotta move. Alright, come on. I see the thing. It's coming. Alright, I gotta build the rest over there. Cause I wasn't about to start jumping. Alright, let's just run, let's run. Ah, it's closing in on me. I only have 2 minutes. I'm about to get lost in the storm. I'm gonna get lost in the storm. Oh, Fortnite did update, I guess, because there is something new up in the right. Like, so on the screen, I will zoom in on that. All the stuff that's new, but oh, I think they might have took the shotgun out. I mean the pistol SMG. Uh-oh, I see somebody. Alright, just stay careful. I'm not gonna mess with them. I'm just trying to get inside the circle. Uh-oh. You got a minigun. I think I'm making it to the circle. I'm gonna hide in here until he comes. Uh-oh. You hear that? Oh! Ah, I hate myself. He came right up behind me too. Well, that challenge was a total fail. So, yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next video. And maybe my next video won't be as bad. Peace.